Java Foundations Certification, a valuable credential for entry-level programmers. When it comes to proving your Java skills, the Java Foundations certification offers a valuable opportunity for entry-level programmers. This certification holds value for students in high school or college who are looking to showcase their expertise in Java. Before understanding the specifics of the Java Foundations certification, it is important to distinguish between vendor certification and course certification. Vendor certification is a globally recognized certification offered by product vendors, such as Oracle for Java. On the other hand, course completion certifications only indicate that you have completed a specific course at a local study center, and are not considered valuable in the job market. Therefore, it is essential to obtain vendor certifications from reputable sources like Oracle Java certifications, Python Institute certifications, AWS certifications, and Google certifications. The Java Foundations certification is offered by Oracle, the owner of Java. It is known as the Java Certified Foundations Associate certification. To obtain this certification, one must pass a multiple-choice Java Foundations exam at an authorized Oracle testing center. The exam consists of 60 multiple-choice questions and has a passing score of 65%. This means that you must correctly answer at least 39 questions to pass the exam. The time allotted for the exam is 120 minutes, which should be sufficient if one has prepared well. Preparing for the Java Foundations certification exam requires a set of practice questions and a good exam preparation tool such as MyExamCloud AI. One should also thoroughly understand the exam objectives from Oracle's official site, create study notes, and compile and run programs from the exam syllabus. Setting goals and studying consistently using MyExamCloud's study plan feature is crucial. Taking mock exams and reviewing answers and explanations can help identify weak areas and improve overall performance. It is also recommended to take objective exams and focus on weak areas before taking a final practice test on MyExamCloud to gauge one's confidence in passing the real exam. While the Java Foundations certification does not require any professional experience with Java, it is essential to have a basic understanding of Java programming language and concepts, as well as mathematical, logical, and analytical problem-solving skills. Familiarity with the Java Development Kit, JDK, and the Java Runtime Environment, JRE, is also necessary. The Java Foundations certification is primarily targeted towards students in 2-year colleges, high schools, and 4-year colleges and universities who have participated in the Oracle Academy program or are studying computer science with relevant Java curricula. It is also suitable for faculty members teaching foundational Java and computer science classes, as well as individuals starting their careers in Java. The complete syllabus for the certification can be found at official Oracle page by clicking on Review Exam Topics. Join MyExamCloud and get ready to conquer your Java certifications.